Hi YouTubers, so welcome back to my channel Vlog Media. I'm your host Mark today, and we are going to discuss something that's quite essential in your computer. So I've been doing quite YouTube lately, and I started editing videos. Of course I have to edit my videos, and I realized that while editing the videos, things kind of get slower over time. And actually I've been editing my videos through this iMac 2020, and I bought it. It's a base model, and it is actually an 8 gig RAM. And for today probably I was thinking that I should upgrade the RAM so to make the process a little bit faster. So I got myself a RAM, and today we will try to review, probably unpackage, and see what's really inside here. So stay tuned and let's go. So in this iMac 2020, it comes with two sizes, the one with the 21-inch and the one with the 27-inch. Unfortunately, the 21-inch version does not have a upgradable RAM, so you might probably need to open up the computer to get the or upgrade the RAM, but I haven't tried that. But for this 27-inch, fortunately it's upgradable to about 128 gig of RAM, which is a whopping amount of RAM. But unfortunately I only have 8 gig of RAM, which I believe it's kind of underpowered for video editing. So I bought myself a 16 gig RAM from Lazada, and it's a company called Tammuz. And I tried searching their company at the eBay and Amazon. Apparently it's not available yet. Probably they're just a new company, and unfortunately I found them at Lazada, and I tried it. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to open up this and the RAM door and install the RAM yourself. So it's really pretty easy, trust me. So let's begin. So looking back at my Mac, you can see here that it only has an 8 gig of RAM. And if we go to the memory, so there are actually two 4 gigabyte modules on the 2 slots here out of the 4 slots in the memory bay. So what we're going to do, we'll try to fill up one of the slot with a 16 gig of RAM. So I tried looking over at Apple, and I found out that the RAM is 16 gig of RAM is kind of pricey at $400 for the 16 gig. So I tried to look for an alternative source, which is probably here locally, which is on Lazada. So I found this company here, which is actually Tammuz, and it kind of fits the bill, and it kind of fits also the RAM that I'm looking for. So I tried to risk ordering this, and hopefully that this module works for my Mac. So the package arrived from Lazada, and I was surprised that it was not in a box. And so I'm now cutting through the package, and let's try to see what's included in that package. Obviously it's a RAM, but I want to see how the RAM was packaged, of course. And, oh, I see. So it's actually bubble wrapped in its own tiny package. So yeah, so yeah, it's quite good, and I think it's well packed. And let's try to take it out from the bubble wrap. Okay, so yeah, so I think it's kind of well packaged. It's kind of compact, and yeah, I think it's good. So it's a DDR4 16 gigabyte, and let's probably try it on in a while. Yep. So this is actually how it looks like in front, and this is the when you flip it over. So this is how actually it looks like. So now for the installation of the RAM. So behind the computer you will see a small hatch there. That's actually small hatch. That's actually the RAM door. So in order to access, you have to turn on the computer for 15 minutes to allow electrical discharge, and plug it out afterwards. And when you unplug it, you will see actually a button which is actually a when you press it, it actually pops the RAM door open. So you have to try a harder material, because ball pen cap won't work, and I found a key that could probably use it, but the key you have to put it in the you have to actually wrap it in a cloth so you won't scratch actually the button. So before you push it, you need to place the Mac on the soft flat surface on its back, and there we go. So we can now use it, and it pops when you press it out. So now that the door is popped out, we're gonna take it out, and you will see the RAM. So this is actually the instructions how to open the memory bay. So all you have to do is that there are two tabs there which you have to press outward. Okay, I'll try to press it outward now, and there you go. So yep, so we release the RAM door bay open, and you can see that the two slots are occupied by the 4 gig. And I tried to take it out, and I found out that the original iMac was powered by the SK Hynix RAM from South Korea, which is quite surprising. So I'm gonna place the RAM right now. This is the Tammuz RAM that I bought from Lazada, and I will now install it into the RAM door. So when you install it, actually you have to there's only one way that it fits, so you can't make a mistake. And when you place it over the RAM door, when you place over the RAM bay, sorry, you have to press it so that it clicks. Okay, if it clicks, it's in, and after that, push the RAM bay backwards. Okay, make sure it clicks, and you can now close the RAM door. Yeah, so the RAM door is just a pretty easy process to close. So you just have to close it by hand. So it's very easy to close. It just pops in. Yep, and reverse the process. Then try to now put the socket in, and let's see if it works. So going back at my computer interface, so I tried checking that actually the RAM actually worked, because the computer actually read it, and it's now a total of 24 gig RAM, and there it is. The 16 gig RAM is on the second slot in the RAM bay. So yeah, I'm glad it worked. So yep. Okay, so what are my thoughts for this RAM upgrade? So I was able to upgrade it to 24 gig RAM, so it is a significant bump from an 8 gig RAM to 24 gig RAM. So yeah, I think the applications that I've been using for this computer has been increasingly fast compared to the 8 gig RAM, and the processing speed probably, or the video editing speed, the way the video actually processed, its final product is actually faster. I haven't got it tested, but I got a feel it has been really a bit faster than before. And I think in the future probably I might upgrade this into another 16 gig of RAM, and yeah, just to make for at least 40, and probably upgrade more if I need to. And yeah, so you can actually now upgrade your RAM yourselves at home. So again, thank you for watching the video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Vlog Media, and hit that bell notification icon so that you'll be updated for the new upcoming videos. So thank you, and see you again.